Maths isn't just the ultimate war of numbers, geometry, arithmetics, algebra, and more. It's the gateway to logic and understanding. Pure mathematics, in its way, is a poetry of logical ideas, as rightly said by Albert Einstein.
A very warm, a very warm good morning to our Vice Principal Ma'am, beloved teachers, and my fellow peers. Today, I, Rithi,
And I took many.
are here to give you an auspicious welcome to the Inter-House Maths Quiz for classes 6 to 8. Ma'am, may we have your permission to start the quiz?
Yes, sure, go ahead.
Our show can't start without our participants, so I'd like to request all the participants to introduce themselves with their class and section. Starting with us, as per now.
Start from here, this side, that you are comfortable. Yes.
My name
Yeah. Face the audience. Yes.
my name is Rajpal Singh and I am in 7B.
My name is Moses and I am from class E.
My name is Rhythm and I am from class 6. My name is Panama and I am from class 6B. My name is Uberaj and I am from class 8B. My name is Vindraj and I am from class 8B.
My name is Armana and I am from class 7A.
My name is Hasrit and I am from class 6A.
My name is Kashvin and from class 7.
My name is Harmanveer and I am from class 8B. My name is Jobin and I am from class 6B.
My name is Manraj and I am from class 8B.
My name is Yashwardhan and I am from class 8C.
My name is Samara and I am from class 7A. My name is Pritya and I am from class 6B.
My name is Ananya and I am from class 8A.
Maths is the only subject where people can buy 64 watermelons and no one wonders why. With this intellectual approach in our mind, let's start our round 1.
Hey Riddhi, don't you think we've forgotten to get our audience and participants familiar with the most important part of the quiz?
Well, yes, you are right. I almost forgot about the rules. How can we start without them? The quiz is divided into 5 rounds as follows. Solve a problem, geometry round, mensuration round, fun with maths, which is a buzzer round, rapid fire round. Each round has 4 questions. Each team would be asked 1 question. 4 marks for the correct answer, and if the question is passed to the second team, then 3 marks for the correct answer, and so on. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The rules for the buzzer round are:
A question will be fired and the team which presses the buzzer first gets to answer first. Total 4 questions will be asked in this round. 4 marks for the correct answer and negative 2 marks for the wrong answer, or if the team does not answer after pressing the buzzer. No forwarding or passing is allowed. The answering time is only 30 seconds. If all teams fail to give the answer, the audience also has a chance to try and answer the questions. I wonder why only one specific team starts. Let's give this opportunity to other teams as well.
right, but who will make the decision?
I knew you would ask that. May I request Rana ma'am to choose one envelope from the bowl and tell us which team is going to start first.
Oak House.
So the sequence is oak, maple, cedar, and aspen. Now I would request Upasana ma'am to start with this.
Very good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, let's start with the quiz. Few points to be taken care of. Reading time is included in 30 seconds. If the question is not answered, the question will pass on to the audience. I hope you all are ready with your pen and paper.
Yes.
Any prompting from the audience will result in deduction of 2 marks from the team. So please be very, very careful. So let's start. So first question is for Oak House. Our round 1, which is solve a problem. 30 seconds. 4 marks for correct answer. If not answered, will be passed on to the next team. 3 marks and then 2 marks for the next and so on. So let's start. First question for the Oak House. Your time starts now. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Options are 3 by 4 meter, 12 by 4 meter, 6 by 4 meter or 9 by 4 meter. Time up. Next, Maple House. You will get 15 seconds to answer. Time out. Moving to Cedar House. 7 seconds.
Fourth option, 9 4.
That's the correct answer. So 2 marks, 2 bonus marks to Cedar House. Now next question is for Maple House. Your time starts now. The shopkeeper makes a profit of ₹5 on selling 1 pen and incurs a loss of ₹2 on selling 2 pencil boxes. What will be his net profit if he sells 10 pens and 10 pencil boxes?
Ma'am, option 3, 30.
That's the correct answer. 4 marks to Maple House. Next question for Cedar House. Cost of a flower vase is ₹120. If shopkeeper sells it at loss of 10%, find the price at which it is sold. Option A.
Option 4, 108.
That's the correct answer. 4 marks to Cedar House. For 6 marks on the scoreboard for Cedar House. Next question for Aspen. Sania's father's present age is 7 years, more than 3 times Sina's present age. Find Sina's present age if her father is 37 years old.
And the answer is option 2, 10.
That's the correct answer. So at the round 1 score is, Oak House has not started with the scores yet. Maple at 4, Aspen at 4, and Cedar is leading with 6 points.
I bet that our audience is very smart.
Really? I doubt it. Let's test their IQ. Here's a question for you all.
Why the equal sign is so humble?
Vicky makes to answer. Vicky, you can come forward.
Repeat the question. The question is, why is the equal sign so humble?
Because it lets RHS equals to LHS.
That's a wrong answer.
You have to think out of the box.
Yes, out of the box.
So we have one student raising the hand. Neetu, please. Yes, Arnav.
And because it leads inequality.
Believe in equality, they are so humble, yes.
That's
I think that's the correct answer.
Now, we have something really important to address. This is the story of every student. Dear maths, grow up and solve your own problems. I'm tired of solving them. Anyways, let's start at round 2, which is the geometry round.
So our rules remains the same for round 2. 4 marks for the correct answer. And if it is passed, 3 marks and 2 marks and so on, the same way. So first question for Oak House. Your time starts now. Which of the following figures can be classified as polygons? Read the options carefully. Option 1, only figure 3. Option 2,
Option 3.
So they have given answer option 3. Any guesses, audience? Is it not? It is the correct answer. 4 marks to Oakham. Next question. I hope you are clear. If any prompting or anything from the audience, 2 marks deducted from your house. So please be very careful. Cheer your house, but let's be disciplined. Question 2 for Maple House. From the given curves, simple curves are only, read the option carefully, only 1, 2 and 4, only 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7, only figure 1, 2, 5 and 6, or only figure 1 and 2.
Option
Time's
3.
up.
Ma'am?
Okay, they have started telling the option, yeah?
Option 3.
Already.
Option 3, that's an incorrect answer. So we're passing it on to the Cedar House.
Ma'am, option 2.
That's the correct answer. Cedar House always gives advantage of those bonus points. So next question is for Cedar House. Consider the angles shown. Which option correctly classifies the given angles? There are 3 right angles, 2 straight angles and 1 complete angle. There are 2 right angles, 3 straight angles and 1 complete angle. There are 3 right angles, 1 straight angle and 2 complete angles. There are 2 right angles, 1 straight and 2 complete angles.
Option 2.
Time is up. Time was up before you started.
What happened?
Speak in.
I think he was waiting that you were reading the options.
First.
But I have given
it is
the
not like
instruction
that.
that reading is included in the reading.
This is what ma'am said in
Yes.
the rules only. Rules also, but once again, are you clear? Ma'am said when we are reading
Reading
the
is included.
Reading is included in that 30 seconds. So you have to read it fast. You do not have to wait for ma'am. Ma'am is doing it for the audience. You people immediately you have access to the board. Okay?
So the question is passed on to the Espin House. 15 seconds to answer.
Ma'am, the answer is option 1.
That's an incorrect option.
It's option 2.
That's the correct answer. Oak will get plus 1. Plus 2, sorry. Yeah, plus 2. The question was for Cedar.
Question was for Cedar, then Espin is out.
4, 3, 2. 2 marks. Yes. Now question number 4 for Espin House. Consider the image. Which of these options correctly compares the length of the objects? Objects are nail, straw, paperclip, safety pin. So you have to identify the correct order of their length.
Option 4.
That's the correct answer. 4 marks for Espin House.
नहीं इसी में दो सेकंड वाले में दो हाँ जी हाँ नेक्स्ट
So at the end of round 2, let's have a look on the scoreboard. Oak House 6 marks,
उसे इधर चलो
Maple 4 marks, Cedar 9 and Espin 8 marks.
Well, I have another question for the audience. That why are obtuse angles so depressed?
Once again ask.
I repeat my question. That why are obtuse angles so depressed?
Somebody's raising hand there.
That's it. And
Because they are not similar
Because they are not.
to the right angle.
That's not the
But
that's not the
still,
correct answer.
we tried. Chalo. Next, this girl. This girl.
audience.
Because they have a side angle. Obtuse angle.
Oh my God! Inverted smile. Okay. Yes. Rita. Yes. Stand up.
They go ahead the right angle so they are dressed.
That's wrong.
Yes. Just stand up and answer.
Yes.
Because it is feeling hot because it is above 90 degrees.
That's another trick.
Sense of humor, है ना?
Anyone else? Think of it. Yes, Pita. From there? That side, yeah. What's your name? Samanvay.
Ma'am, because they are not straight and not normal like normal angles.
You're abnormal. Yes.
Ma'am, because they are not a cute angle.
They are not cute.
They are not cute. Stand up. Yeah. They will never be complete angle. Yes, we can take this.
Yes, we will take this.
And the correct answer, they will never complete, so they are sad. Yes, we can take this. The answer they have written is because they are never right. That's what they said.
Yes.
They're always wrong.
So the audience can have a big round of applause for all the teams. Getting this higher. So with this excitement, let's start our round 3, which is a mensuration round.
Alright, let's start with the question. So first question for Oak House. Consider the figure shown if the length increased by 3 centimeters and breadth decreased by 1 centimeter, which of the following statement is correct? The perimeter increases and the area remains the same. The perimeter remains the same and the area increases. The perimeter and the area both increases. The perimeter and the area both remains the same. That's an incorrect one. Passing on to Maple. Yes, Maple, you have 15 seconds to answer.
The perimeter remains the same and the area increases.
Option you can speak better.
Option 2.
That is incorrect. Cedar again, you have chance. That's the correct answer. Cedar never gives a taking advantage. Okay, next question number 2 for Maple House. Consider the two shapes given. Given that the perimeter of the shapes are equal, what is the value of x? 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter or 16 centimeter. The perimeter for both the figures are same.
Ma'am, option number 2.
That's the correct answer. Okay, moving on to Cedar House. A farmer needs to buy seeds for a piece of agricultural land represented on the rectangular grid as shown below. He requires 4 bags of seed for each square unit. What is the total number of bags required for the land? Let's. Yes.
3 options.
Option 3 is the correct one. Next question for Espin. Yeah, Cedar House, 4 marks. Espin. Observe the figure. What is the area of the shaded region?
Ma'am, नीचे वाला
Observe the figure. You can see the figure. It is 18 centimeter and 25 centimeter. 18 centimeter is inside length. 25 centimeter is outside length.
But you let them see.
18 centimeter and 25
Chair is
centimeter.
obstructed. Your chair also should.
time over.
Yes.
So the question passed on to Oak House.
Oak House.
Option C.
That's the correct answer.
+3.
Oak House will get +3.
I have a question. Will someone help me?
Yes, we all are there. We'll help you. So what's your question?
So it is, how does a maths teacher flow her field? I repeat my question. How does a maths teacher flow her field?
Flow her field. Maths teacher. Flow her field. Yes, one answer is coming from there.
Yes, better stand up.
Stand up.
By giving extra and hard questions.
Extra and hard questions. Okay. Another answer.
By finding out the area.
By finding out the area.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, by scolding.
By scolding the field. I have an answer. By taking her class to the field and children do the work and she enjoys.
By finding out the area and giving equations to students.
Yes, by yes.
Someone raising hand from the side. Think of maths instruments. Yes.
Ma'am, by clearing the path and solving equations.
Mathematics. Think of
Maths
mathematics
answer.
instruments. Yes.
She takes.
That's the correct
Yes,
answer.
the correct answer.
Well done.
The correct answer is by using a protractor.
Wow, our participants are asking everything and they're very confident.
No worries. Round 4. One with maths, which is a buzzer around his hair, which will make them shiver. Let's start.
Repeat this as a buzzer round. Yeah, so it is a buzzer round. I
Are your
hope
buzzers ready? Yes.
your buzzers are ready.
You are also ready.
30 seconds you will get to answer. The team which presses the buzzer first will get the chance for correct answer, 4 marks. In case your answer is incorrect, no, -2.
It's a buzzer. -2, not
-2 for incorrect. And in case you presses the buzzer and do not answer, -2 for the same. So please be very, very careful. 4 marks for correct answer, -2 for incorrect answer. Team who presses the buzzer first will get the chance. Any doubts in the rules? If the rules are clear? Okay. So the first question. It is an image question. 3 shoes means 30. 1 shoe and 2 persons is 20. 1 person, 2 whistle are 13. Then shoe, a person multiplied by a whistle. Cedar house. 90. That's an incorrect answer, Cedar.
No passing.
No passing in this round. No passing. So -2 for Cedar. So we will pass on this question to audience. Yes. Sahaj. Sahaj, you need to calculate first. Yeah. Then we will math.
Ma'am, it's 90.
That's the correct one.
60.
Speak up. No. Speak up. Last one is multiply. Yes, someone will raise his hand. Yes, 30 is the correct answer. 30 is the correct answer. Good job. But I'm not sure who gave the answer. Who gave 30 answer?
She said 13. I thought 30. She's giving the 30. I gave the correct answer.
Okay, let's focus. Next question of buzzer round flashes now. How many cubes are there? Okay, sit down.
Bina, your chair is obstructing the paper house.
Maple House.
20.
That's the correct answer. 4 marks. Next is the arrangement. You can stand at the back. Yeah. You just leave the chair. Stand.
I think we can remove it. Yeah. Let us just go.
Is it visible now to everyone?
Yes. Thank you.
Alright, next question for the buzzer round. If 7 pencils would cost 6 rupees more than 5 pencils, Maple House.
Ma'am, the
Buzzer won't stop.
Maple House, yes.
ma'am, the answer is 30 rupees.
That's the correct answer. Next question. An apple is 7. Orange plus 5. Orange is 5 plus apple. Apple is 1 plus banana. Then apple plus grape. Sorry, grapes plus banana. Cedar. The answer is incorrect. Okay. To the audience. To the audience.
That side.
The last. Yes. What's your name? What's the correct answer? That is correct.
Ma'am, ask them. They have to get up an answer.
Let's see. House.
25.
That is correct. 21. No. Next question, buzzer round. Next question. Multiply this number with any other number and you will get the same number.
The number is 1.
That's the correct answer. Okay, good. Okay, let's have a silence, please. Next question, again an image-based question, so be very careful. So the next question. How many balls will be required to make this arrangement? This is a 3D arrangement. 3D arrangement. Espin.
29.
No, that's an incorrect one. You were very close. From the audience. Yes. No. 23 is incorrect. 30 is the correct answer. Okay. Alright. Silence please. Let's see the next question. Again, it is an image based. Next question. Manu, you will stand at the back. And question is already flashed, please.
Don't sit like this. He may hurt his.
You have to find out on the dice which should be opposite to the symbol plus. Oak house, yeah. B is the correct answer. Next question for the buzzer now. If sand is coated as brick is coated at house.
Palace.
नहीं वो पहले एस्पिन में करा
Aspen, so that's the correct answer.
yes. Any doubt? We heard this. Do we have any extra question?
Yes, we have.
So let's
So
not
there's
take
one
this
more
question.
Okay.
Let's not take this question.
Your bell doesn't stop. Actually, this is the problem.
Please.
मैम हमने पहले बताया
कोई बात नहीं, फिर से आ
एक क्वेश्चन और आ रहा है. चलो.
Because we also thought that.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Okay.
Anybody else? You people saw?
अब मैम ये एक हाउस का वो हो जाएगा.
Yeah, we couldn't hear. You couldn't hear only.
Okay. Let's take one. We are having extra question. So let's not take this question. We are not taking this
Please be
question.
ready with your pen and pencil for the same. If give is coded as 5173, bat is coded as 924, how the gate will be coded? Zero.
Ma'am, 5247.
That's the correct answer. So it round, the buzzer round came to the end. Everyone.
इधर पीछे हो जाओ. नहीं आप पीछे हो जाओ, वो टोटल दिख जाएगा.
The scores for the round are
13. Oak is 13.
Oak is 30,
16. Maple 16.
Maple 16,
ये
Cinder is
6, 9, 11, 15.
Cinder is 15 and Aspen is
8 plus 2, 10.
10.
10 minus 2 is 10. Ma'am, minus 2. Ma'am, गलत आंसर में minus 2 है ना? हाँ.
Audience, can you have your attention, please? Everyone, what do you call the friends who love maths? I repeat my question. What do you call the friends who love maths? Yes. That's the correct answer.
Algebros.
The answer is algebros. Time to end the quiz. The final round is round 5, the rapid fire.
You have chance now.
Okay, so this is the rapid fire round. The question will be asked. 1 minute to answer the question, right? There, 1 minute you will get in case you know the answer, you give correct answer. 4 marks for correct answer, -2 for incorrect. In case you pass the question, no marks will be deducted. Rules are clear to everyone?
Stand here, Vikram. You have to say after 1 minute.
If you pass, no marks will
Pass,
be
no
deducted.
marks, but if it is a wrong answer, -2. Okay? Correct answer will carry 4 marks. Clear to everybody? Rules are clear? It's better to pass than giving a wrong answer.
Alright, so anyone from you can answer, you can decide. Okay? Yes, you can solve. Any other doubts? Any doubts in this round? Rules are, the question will be asked, you will get 1 minute to answer, right? For For the correct answer, 4 marks. Incorrect answer, -2. And in case you pass the question, I asked the question and you said pass, so no marks are given up.
In 1 minute, many questions will be fired.
Fired, huh?
It
They are
will
fired
not
on
be
you.
passed on to the next team. Pass means
Is
you are
it
not
clear? Is it
going
clear to
further.
everybody? All the questions will be asked.
In the 1
One
minute
after
time.
the other. 1 minute में. Okay? Clear?
It's not one question, 1 minute.
The question pass doesn't mean the question is passed to the next team. Pass means you are not answering the question.
You have to complete all the questions.
1 minute में फायर होगी क्वेश्चंस की बस आंसर देना
Rapid fire. Questions will come as a fire. Okay?
I hope the rules are clear. Yes. Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Okay. No doubt. Yes. All the best, teams.
Let's start with Oak House. Your time starts now. -1/2, -6/7, 1/2, -9/2 are what kind of numbers? Speak it loud. Rational number. The multiplicative identity of rational numbers is?
बेटा speak loudly, I'm not able to hear.
Is every whole number is also rational number, true or false? Any number raised to the power 0 is? The most repeated observation in the data. Speak louder in mic, please.
Can you repeat the question?
The most repeated observation in the data is called?
Mode.
How many centimeters are in 5 meter?
500.
What is the difference between largest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number? You can always pass the question if you think it is taking time. What will be the quotient if you divide 360 by time is up?
Pastor, I was not sure for the first answer what they gave.
First answer was correct. So first answer -1/2, -6/7,
So 4 are right.
1/2 are rational
2
numbers.
are wrong, 4 are right, 2 are wrong.
That was correct. Multiplicative of rational numbers
12.
is 1. Every whole number is also a rational number. It is true. I think you said false. Any number raised to power 0 is
1, they said not
1.
defined. They said not defined.
The most repeated observation is mode. How many centimeters? That was also correct. 500 centimeters.
And the time was up after that.
Yes. The round of applause
Who's saying something? No, better 16, 2 were wrong, so negative marking is there. And please speak the answer loudly.
So for the Maple House, time starts now. Reset the time. So time starts now. -1, -2, 3, -4 are what kind of numbers?
Integers.
The reciprocal of 0 is
0.
every rational number is also a fraction. True or false? Skip. How many degrees are there in 3 right angles? 270. Circumference of the circle is
2 by r.
2 by r. The algebraic expression containing two unlike terms is called binomial. Which has more milk? 10 bottles of half liter or 5 bottles of 1 liter? Both are equal. The smallest odd prime number is 3.
We can consider.
Which number multiplied to itself gives 144 as product?
Keep going.
Well, time is up.
But we can consider. We can consider or not?
Time was up. So that answer will be considered.
6 right, 1 wrong.
Maple House has given 6 right answers.
22. One wrong, 1 wrong. And 1 was passed.
All the best.
Next question. Cedar House, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others need to be quiet. So let's start asking, firing the questions. 8, 16, 24, 32 are dash of 8. Multiples of 8. The multiplicative inverse of a negative integer is a positive integer. True or false?
Next.
Rational number can be expressed as decimals. True or false?
Yes, ma'am.
While transposing terms, multiplication changes to
Division.
the line drawn from the vertex of a triangle perpendicular to the opposite side is called. The area of parallelogram is
Base into height.
the middlemost value of arranged data is called median. What is the largest three-digit even number?
998.
That's the correct answer. If the dividend is exactly divisible by the divisor, then dash is 0.
Time up.
Time up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are correct. 24 minus 420 is the score.
6 correct answers and 2 incorrect. It's okay? Good. See the house. Okay.
Aspect
And the last house has been house.
last.
So let's see who will be the winner at the decisive round. Let's start. Your time starts now. The time starts now. 2, 11, 13, 17, 19 are what kind of number? Additive inverse of a negative integer is a positive integer. True or false? True. By how much is 2 more than negative 3? By how much is 2 more than negative 3? 5. What is the value of pi rounded to 2 decimal places? 3.14. The sum of all angles of triangle is? How many months in a year have 30 days? Skip. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 10? The first common multiple of 5 and 8 are? The first common multiple of 5 and 8? 40. An isosceles triangle is a regular polygon. True or false? False. Time is up. Okay, we can ask one question. The sum of any two sides of triangle is always dashed and third side. Greater. 32 marks.
What did 0 say to 8? I repeat my question. What did 0 say to 8?
Four is the correct answer. She said, I like your belt. And that's the correct answer. I like your belt.
Yes.
So how was the experience? Wonderful. Very good. So big round of applause. interested in listening to that. Everybody is waiting for the winners now. So we have Oak House with 25 marks. Oak House will come from bottom. Even a good guy. Oak House, buck up your team. It doesn't matter. They participated. We should encourage. So after that we have Cedar House with 35 marks. 35 marks. So third position is going to Cedar House. Then we have Maple House. And the toppers. हमारे छुपे रुस्तम. ऐसे नाम. Just look at their start. Slow and steady wins the race. We have the example, perfect example. They started very slow, but look at the end, how they finished the run. So, congratulations, Aspen House. All of you gave a very good time. So, how was the experience? So, we should ask them focus today. Yes, Aspen House. How was the experience? Zainab? Yes.
I'm in the rapid fire rounds. First, I was very nervous that how much can I score. I thought that maybe I can score till 24, 24. But unfortunately, I scored 32.
Yes, very good. Fortunately, and I know that because he was the leader. Manoman was the leader at that time. Like I think he was the one who was leading the team, and he has actually shown his true leadership quality. Well done. And team was in full support. Have you noticed? They were in full support. Whatever he was answering, they were all with him. This is the spirit that is needed, and that is why this team has got the first position at the end. But you people also did a very good fight. So we have our Maple House. We should ask the team. Maple House. Yes. How was the experience?
Ma'am, first we thought that we are winning, but ma'am, it's just like they answered, we got nervous. Yes. No, but when I came, I thought we will come last, but I'm happy that
Very good. This is a research. We are ringing the bell. What happened? What was the problem with the buzzer? Okay, it is very slow. No problem. Next time now we need to buy more buzzers. So they are blaming the buzzers today that because of the buzzer it was slow. This is what they are saying. But you were a little overconfident when you started. This is what I noticed. So next time we count it. So thank you so much, Mathematics Department. You have done a wonderful job. Give a big round of applause to our teachers. The resident we have class 9 and 10, class 9 and 10 who was here for the quiz. I don't remember the toppers yesterday, ma'am. Anybody remember? You were the winners yesterday. No worries. So when we will be combining the marks, so maybe we don't know, but we don't have that. So on the day of assembly, we will definitely get to know who were the toppers. So thank you so much. Thank you, children. Thank you, Pastor Man.